All right, track fans, how you doing, Albert? Wilf, everyone, watcher. Welcome to a quick episode tonight. We're in the bunker, and I'm doing an unboxing, but I wouldn't normally do this. I'd normally like the episode recently where I did a quick review over the Mustang by Pioneer. I'd already unboxed it and already got it out and we talked over it because you haven't got time to see me unboxing stuff. But this episode is different because check this out. This is no ordinary box. This is huge. All right, 1 second. I've got some of this stuff here. It goes across the screen there. Here we go. So if I get a normal Scalextric car, slot car, look at this. This is something else. So, comments in the box. Who knows what it's going to be? Who knows? I'll give you a second to type that out. Right, I'm so excited because, of course, I know what it is, but I almost can't believe it's here. It was on my Christmas list. I didn't get it. It was then on my birthday list. I didn't get it. And in fairness, they've stopped making these. They've stopped making them. So no one could actually get it for me. But I went on to Slot Forum, which is where loads of people go to get slot information from. And I saw a guy selling one. And I was like, yes, please, I'll have it. So, hang on. Here we go. Okay. Right. Let's see. Get it out. Says the vicar. Right. I'm going to clear some space here. Awesome. I'll take my time getting into this. I don't want to ruin it. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Look at this beauty. It is all together now. A Polly Butler. So get the key off. Excellent security. We like it. Undo that. There you go. Look at that. Track fans. Got my own Polly Butler, complete with drawers. And I'll tell you what I'll do. What I'll do is I'll do a close-up around it with a few shots just so that you can see what's happening here. I'm so excited. I'm actually just getting stuck in right away because I want to see what space I've got, where I can put stuff. At the moment, this is what I got. So, to have a Polly Butler, I can get it all in here. That is amazing. And then shut it up, boosh, pick it up, and I'm away to the races. There you go. So that's my exciting unboxing. If you're gonna unbox big, baby. So I'll see you on the next episode. The next episode will be event coverage of the National Winter Classics slot car meet at Rockingham again. Really, really good event. So stay tuned for that. If anyone is thinking about another event, a swap meet, a slot car event where you can speak to people, you can buy stuff. Hold on a second. Never worked with animals or children or call centres. Milton Keynes swap meet. It is the 12th of February. We're all going down there. It's going to be fantastic. Lots of people, lots of cars, lots of banter. So get down there. It's the National Scalextric Collectors Club, NSCC, their event. Brilliant. We'll see you there, guys. On that note, have a good one. I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao for now. Right then, so that was a quick look around the state of the box, the unboxing. I've tidied it up and this is what it looks like. So it's all clean, it's all ready for me to race. So let's have a look. Shall we see what we got in there? Oh, hello, got some zoom on that. Right then, here we go. So first off, cars. Nice. Not telling you what they are because they're new to me. More cars. I reckon you recognize some of those. Controller and tape, well, spare controller in case someone wants to come up racing. My actual controller. There it is. Look at that. Spaceship. Aha. Some stuff. So you'll remember this from a couple of episodes ago. Help with tire softening, a bit of glue. Got to use that in a minute, actually. We'll keep that out. And nail polish, which is amazing for your front tires. So you get traction as you go into the corner. It slips, it doesn't stick and flip your car over. Amazing. So I just lost myself there. I thought, because I've got a monitor here and a camera there, and I'm like, whoa, am I looking in the right thing? Yes, I am. Top drawer, little tray, always good for keeping bits on, and a NASCAR and a BRM car. And then in here, got compartments. Let's have a look. Hang on. There's some light on the matter. So what? Paintbrush, always good for cleaning out chassis. We got some braids. Gotta have braids. Got a little file. There's a top tip that actually, when gluing glue on glue, so if you have multiple crashes and your spoilers come off so many times, it's good to give the glue a little filing down. It's called a key. You're making a key for the glue to grip to. So it's nice, some spare wheels. That's that. And then, oh, hello. Oh, a little poly car in here. Love it. I've got to get a new engine for it. The engine's not good. Some F22 wheels. Read them and weep them, babies. I've got some stock. Oh, yeah. Critical. Indigestion tablets. Who's an old man? And then lots of screwdrivers and stuff to remove wheels, fix things, general slot car action. So there you go. That is what is in the box. I've been waiting for a long time. I'm so excited. As you saw, I took it to the track last night. The final image of my little image rotation of old to new. And it served me really well. So looking forward to getting out with this a bit more. Oh, actually, just before I go, let's quickly do final plug before it happens. There you are. Milton Keynes swap meet. So it's I'm doing this bit of this everlasting video on a Saturday. It's a week tomorrow. When I get this video out, I don't know. So if you're watching this retrospectively, it's Sunday, the 12th of February, 2023. We'll be down there, and we've got something exciting down there as well. So make sure you go. Me and David Farrow are going to take something down there, set it up, and have some fun. What could it be? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think we're taking. I always forget to do that. Anyway, if you like this video, like and share it. Always forget to do that too. And I'll see you on the next episode, which is looking likely to be coverage from the Classics, Winter Classics meet, Rockingham Slot Car Club. It's looking good from the VT I've taken. Lots of nice cars to check out. There's 3 concourses, not 1, not 2, but 3 concourses, different types of vehicles. So if you're into classics, sports cars, F1, check it out. It's on the next episode. Right then. So big shout out to everyone who's watching. I'm not going to list the names because it's coming a bit of a long list by now. So anyway, see you on the next one, guys. Have a good day ahead.